Hi everyone, cleanliness they say is next to godliness. Today we'll be washing our beauty blender. You get a clean container, add a few drops of extra virgin olive oil. This will help to condition and keep your beauty blender. Any virgin oil will do. Take your beauty blender, soak it in a few drops of oil like so. Okay, keep it aside and then take the next one, do the same. Then take a liquid soap, any liquid soap will do, add a few drops and then rub it in. Target where you have most of the products. Add a few drops of water. When that is done, then you can run it through water to rinse. You see, so easy. The products came out so easily. So we are doing the same step. Okay, massage it. You have to really be gentle with it. Okay, when that is done, you run some water through it. You see how the products came out so easily. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.